I'll make you my priority, cause you're one of the minorities.
What is up? What's good with you guys? It's the Boul. Nate, shout out to the Boul Nation. Hope you're feeling good, man. My hair is crazy. I took it out, but honestly, my hair just it does its own thing. It's like a curly twist out, whatever, fro. I don't know what you call it, but we're back with another video. As always, hit the subscribe button. We're now 67 away from 4K, so subscribe, like, and today we got a pretty big unboxing. So we got some boxes here. We got a bunch of these packages. So, and it's a combination of stuff from Macy's and some stuff from Adidas. Adidas had like a sale. Let's unbox first. Adidas had a sale on their eBay page. I think like 50% off like certain things like like a few weeks back. So I bought some things there. Then Macy's has always got a sale going on. So got stuff from there as well. So the first thing here is from Adidas. First thing, no, the essentials. Got like socks. We got like some white socks, some black socks. And then here we have a shirt. Alright, like, we got a simple shirt. I need to put myself like Adidas soccer, I think it says on here. Yeah, Adidas soccer, medium. Simple shirt, you know, can't go wrong with that. Kind of like everyday thing. So that's package one. We'll go to package two. We'll go to the second box here. Go with the second box here. So yeah, you know. Only I hated that it took so long for like different packages to get in though. So this is a video I wanted to make for a while, but packages can come in like one by one, like each day. It's weird, but here we got a nice little box. What is that? There we go. Okay, I might want to go the wrong way, but here we got some slides. You know, I definitely have become like much more of a slides person more recently. Like I said, like I got the Yeezy slides, I got the Adidas, like the Claw, Crocs things, so I got those too. But then like I like, no, let me just get like another pair of these are like at the sale, like $10-15 for these. So you know, pretty, you know, kind of comfortable, but like not too. But it's like, you know, I can just throw these on like for like a vacation or around the house, to the pool, anything like that. So. Alright, so now we get to these. Now we get to these. This is from Adidas as well, so. Okay, so these are two of the hats that I bought from Adidas. So I bought a bucket hat, I bought like a regular cap. So here's the bucket hat. It's simple as this Adidas logo. You have the brand with 3 stripes. Yeah, that's pretty much all it has. Let's see, put it on. Ooh, okay. Probably a little weird now because I got all this hair on me, but that's how it looks. Once I get my hair braided, it's gonna look a little better. And another simple, just Adidas hat here. Like it's kind of like a blue with the red right there. These originals on the sides. That was 1949. Focus, thank you. Yeah, so you know, I'm also a big hat guy. As y'all can see, I got hats there. I got some hats in my closet, so can't go wrong with a hat when it comes to me. All right. Let me do this one right here. Let's see. There might be evidence I got from Adidas, you know. Oh, no, I'm like. I lied because I bought some shorts as well. You know, this casual black and white. As I kind of said, like, I kind of got like a little theme, kind of more like a black and white, more like solid colors. Some colors you could just easy just put on, and not really have to worry about matching and things like that. So, and now these are the Macy's packages here. So, next up we have the Macy's packages. There's some more essentials as well. So. Ooh, okay. Let's go this first. And bam! You got the North Face Crew, a nice bright color blue. A bold, big like North Face logo on the front. You know, I've never been enjoying more crew necks recently, so this is a good ad. I know it's starting to get warmer, it's May, but can't go wrong with a good crew neck. It'll be good for like the fall, winter time. And then just cause got the the gray sweatpants, you know, for the culture. One of those if you know kind of thing. And I'm pretty sure I know what this is. This is kind of one of the things I'm more like one of the things I got more excited about. Yes, sir. And it's this right here. It's kind of like a Levi's. It's pretty much like a lightweight jacket. Reason why I got it because it's lightweight. I like the brown color can kind of go with like a lot of different things. Like it was some light jeans. Maybe some field colors, but I just need more kind of like lightweight jackets in my wardrobe. And I'm like, you know what? This one looks pretty nice. It looks simple. Different. So that's why I want that. And that is all I had. So I got a little bit of everything. I got some essentials like socks, I got some shorts, got a couple of hats, got like a lightweight jacket, got a crew, got some sweatpants, got a shirt, got some slides. So I heard got a little bit of everything this time around. But if y'all like these videos, get a thumbs up, you know. I definitely like to do reviews, unboxings on the channel, so you can see, you know, what kind of buyer I am, what kind of style I like, that kind of thing. And comment down below if you made this far. What's your favorite thing that I got? For me, I think it's the Levi's jacket. I like it so different. And then probably the North Face Jordans, probably 2. Because, like I said, I like the color. It's bright. The North Face logo is bold on the front. I just like it. So, again, guys, let's video, get a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time.